Hello. So I just got this laptop and the fault is this. So there's no display, everything is working fine, but there's no display. So I got another one which I repaired, is exact same model. Okay, so I'll show you how to repair this one. It's very easy. Don't tell your customer that the display is bad. It's good. The display is good. The problem is on the circuit. I will go fast on it and I will show you how to repair it very quick. So here it is. I just open it, and as you can see here, well, don't mind these. The stand was broken, so I just glued it. And here it is, the chip. I think it's a Chinese chip. I tried to find it online and I didn't get it. So if you have a donor board, same laptop, if it's good, you can take it out from the other one and put it here. So this chip is the one sending signal to the screen. Okay. So it needs 3.3 volt. 3.3 volt. So if I'm gonna check on my multimeter, I need a ground. Okay, let's place this here maybe. No, it's not touching. Maybe here. Okay. Let's see here. Still ground. Okay. So here is the IC, because the laptop is still on, running, fan spinning. Okay. And if I'm gonna check the input voltage, put the flash on maybe. I'll put on the input voltage. You'll see it will be 3.3, right? So this is the input voltage, the top one, okay? And the opposite one should be also 3.3 volt, but we got 0.8. So the voltage is not going through this chip, it's damaged. So either you can replace it or just look at that. If I'm gonna bypass it from here to here, check on the screen, we got display, right? So I just bypass this 2 pin on the top and make the 3.3 volt. My hand's slipping, but yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put a link. I'm gonna solder those 2 pins together, and that's the solution. Let's go it. And there it is. Just put a link from this pin to that pin to this pin, this one. So the signal 3.3 gonna go to the screen and start it. So let me plug that in, and let's see. We got light and we got display. Now it's working fine. So it should be good. There's no problem by bypassing this chip. Now we have display. I have the exact same problem on this one. It's the same model, so I just replace it and it's working fine. So the problem, so why I got this problem is because maybe it's first of all, it's a very old laptop. Okay, and secondly, maybe there's humidity or water damage, and it can cause that problem. So yeah, this should fix your problem. It's very easy, straightforward. And yeah, cheers, bye.